Going to discuss surface areas and volume section B. It is a 2-mark sum only. So it is a new type of sum. Already we have discussed, but only the perimeter part is given. Perimeter of the two ends are given. So let us draw the diagram. This is R1. So keep in your mind, in a frustum R1 is greater than R2. This is R2. Slant height of the frustum of a cone, it is given 4 cm. L equal to 4 cm. And the perimeter of the circular ends. Two perimeters are given. So let us write. Perimeter means 2 pi r and another one 2 pi r, which is equal to 18 cm and 6 cm. Two things are given. If it is like that, find the CSA of the frustum. Now as I told you, you see the greater length, greater circumference, that will go to R1. So that is R1 and this is R2. You can easily write like this. So now to find CSA. To find CSA of the frustum. Next, solution. CSA of the frustum is equal to pi RL. So cone you keep in your mind the CSA formula of a cone. Cone, what is the formula? Pi RL. So here R is 2R actually. Just add up these two values, R1 plus R2 like that. So that you can no need to memorize the formula. You can just like that you can easily write. So pi into R1 plus R2 into L. Pi into R1 plus R2 into L. So pi, you keep the pi as it is. Let us find R1 plus R2 from the perimeter. Which is equal to 9 by pi centimeter. Same thing, 2 pi R2 is equal to 6. R2 equal to 6 by 2 pi. 1 time, 3 times. R2 equal to 3 by pi centimeter. R2 equal to 3 by pi centimeter. R1 9 by pi plus R2 3 by pi into L. L is equal to slant height, they itself given 4 cm into 4, which is equal to pi 9 plus 3 12 by pi into 4. You see pi it is getting cancelled, is equal to 48 centimeter square. That is the CSA of the frustum. CSA of the frustum is equal to 48 centimeter square. So this you can expect in 2 marks. So only the thing is you have to keep in your mind, no need to calculate the R1 alone separately after substituting this 22 by 7 and getting into a decimal value. And here also R2. Some students they will think that we need to find the R1 value alone, then we have to substitute here like that. It is no need. R1 value you get it in the form of pi. You see, you have seen, no? Pi it is getting cancelled because R1 I am getting in the form of pi itself. Here also R2 I am getting in the form of pi itself. So both it will get cancelled after simplifying this. So easily you will get the answer.